In this video, I'll show you how to make Google your default search engine. So if you want Google the first thing to appear when you open your internet browser or when you simply open a new tab, then how we do this is click on the three vertical dots in the top right hand side, scroll down to settings right at the bottom, and from this left hand column we need to select search engine. Now where it says search engine used in the address bar, you need to make sure this is set to Google. Once you have this selected as Google, we're then going to press manage search engines and site search. Then scroll down to search engines and make sure you have Google as the default one here. You can change it just by clicking on these three dots and selecting make default. Once you've set Google as your default search engine here, we're then going to click on default browser from the left hand side. And it's also a good idea to click this make default button here. And then right at the top, just click on set default. The last thing you need to do is click on startup from the left hand side, and then in here you just need to make sure you have open the new tab page selected. And now if I close my internet browser and then launch it back up, you can see now Google is the first thing that opens. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.